Hi there! Glad to have you here. In this video, we'll show you how to manage website notifications in the Opera GX browser. Whether you find notifications helpful or distracting, learning to control them is essential. Follow along step by step to either enable or disable them with ease. First, open the Opera GX browser. Next, click on the red Opera icon located in the top left corner. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, in the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Under Site Settings, click on Notifications. Finally, if you want to turn notifications on, choose Sites can ask to send notifications. If you want to turn notifications off, select Don't allow sites to send notifications. And that's it. You now know how to control notification settings in Opera GX. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and share it if you found it helpful.